On your left. How's today's bike experience, Emily?
Really good.
You're doing a great job on that big bike.
Dad, you want to see how great?
Let's see. Watch the stop sign.
Okay. There's not a stop. Never mind. What are we going to get there?
I'm not sure. You gotta ask Granddad that.
No, Dad, what are we going to get there?
We tried to go to this little swimming hole right here, but it turned out to not be much of a swimming hole. So we're gonna go try one that they saw the other day. Okay, we just saw a deer out in the middle of the trail. And we don't know where he went. So we're looking to see if we can see him here in the woods. But he's probably pretty stealthy because it's a deer and all.
Dad, go faster. Tell him about why I'm on the bike.
Oh yeah, Kimmy here is on the back of the bike because we had a blowout.
Yep, and we ditched my bike.
But we'll go back and get it.
Yeah, we will.